Okay, it is November 23rd, the day before Thanksgiving. It is, let's see now, what time is it? It's about 10:09 a.m. on the East Coast of the United States. We're going to go over the market news real quick, take a quick look at Bitcoin and Million Token and what's going on with that. Just hopefully this will be a short video real quick. Bitcoin right now at 16,469 as I'm talking, and we're still below the 4-hour exponential ribbon, which is pretty much short term. We're still a bearish trend, and even if we break slightly above this, we have a major resistance. Looks like around 17,000. So with the holiday tomorrow, I think we could be set up for a big dump. We've got the Friday, which I don't think many people will be trading then in the weekend. So we could have a big dump in the next 4 days, maybe starting today. I'm not sure, but I'm still bearish. I've my buy orders, as you saw from my previous video, they got filled. I had like 4 or 6 of them that got filled just like the last 4 or 5 days. And I think I had one at 15,646 or something. I was off by like $4. That wick that came down here, I missed it. I got it just $4 above the bottom. But I still think there's a good chance we can go down lower. But if we don't, that's why I had a lot of my buy orders kind of up in this upper range here. So I only have 3 limit orders left, and you can see them here in yellow. But with the dump coming up this weekend, I got some money. I might wire over to my exchange to put some more limit orders in, because you want to get your money on the exchange before the dump happens, so you could get your limit orders ready. Or I might just not wire it, but then I risk. See, the advantage of wiring money over to the exchange is once you buy Bitcoin or whatever crypto you want, you could send it to your wallet. If you don't do it that way, you might have to wait 7 days or 8 days for the money to clear. So I might fork up the extra money to wire it. But anyway, so that's kind of what's going through my mind. We still don't know what's going on with Grayscale. I'm not too concerned with it. I think the CEO of Grayscale came out and said, look, even if the parent company went bankrupt, they don't have the right to liquidate it. But I still see a lot of comments about them possibly liquidating it. So I'm not sure myself, but I'm not too concerned about it, although I should be. But if they liquidated it, that 40% discount would go right away, and then everybody would get more NAV price for it. So that would be good. But then, if they cash me out, I still wouldn't be exposed to Bitcoin in some way with my retirement account. So I don't really see them cashing out Grayscale Bitcoin Trust Fund. They're making like 2% a year in fees, which is a lot of money. So I don't think you would want to liquidate your cash cow. But yeah, for me, Bitcoin, I'm not even looking at the price. I just know generally that come mid-December is usually the most bearish. We're already in a bear trend, and I've said this before. Before tax season, somewhere around mid-December, have fiat ready. I even wrote my notes every year. Toward October, November, December, have fiat ready for a dump in December if it happens. So yeah, I'm ready. And that's what's going on with Bitcoin real quick. Million Token. Let's see what I can find with Million Token. I think we're below $2 right now. I think I saw it go down to like 187 yesterday or something like that. But yeah, I think breaking above $2 was kind of be hard, because now the pool has run dry. You see the 0 per week here as the pool rate. I'm not sure if Tech Lead is going to replenish the pool. If he does, he might do it in a couple of days or a week. I don't know. He generally waits. The last couple of times when the pool ran dry, it took a couple of days for him to refill the pool. But he doesn't have a whole lot of Million Token left. He's got probably less, just under like 10,000 that are known in his wallets that he has. Everybody knows about his wallets. So the ones that he has public. So, yeah, I prefer to have my Million Token in my own wallets where I have the private keys. So if the pool rate's at 0, I'm going to withdraw my Million Token from the pool. So if you want to know if the pools will be replenished, you can just refresh this page, and you get the link at milliontoken.org, or you could just check out the Discord or the Telegram socials. And people are talking about that also. And this happened last night, Tuesday, which is what I predicted in my last video. I said it's probably going to happen on Tuesday. So that prediction came true. The million token pool balance is actually below 300,000, right? Yeah, it's at 290 now. So like 29% of the supply. Is that right? Anyway, so I'm watching that, and with the pool being probably people removing the tokens from the pool, it's going to be putting more sell pressure on the token. So just dollar cost average if that's your goal, or everybody has different strategies. I'm waiting for still lower prices if I'm going to buy a million token, but especially with a tsunami of sellers coming from the pool, it could go down to like 150. That wouldn't surprise me. The wormhole bridge, it got refilled again, another 588 tokens, and I don't know why this person's selling. You know who it is. I mean, if you're a multimillionaire, why would you want to sell million token? It just doesn't make any sense to me at these prices. But so there's 476 there, in this wallet there's another 100, and technically still has like 9,000 some tokens. So if he doesn't replenish the pool, I assume he's gonna just continue selling. So that's that. So I'm in no rush to buy a million token, not until probably weeks or months after the pool has run dry and hasn't been replenished, and where I know people aren't going to sell. Probably, if the when this trend reverses and we flip bullish on the weekly chart, we get above this exponential ribbon, or even at least get above 21,000. But look at this big volume candle for sell pressure. We didn't even come close to a big green candle. So, that's another reason why I'm thinking it's going to be, we saw some downward action. Maybe we come down to this moving average here where the cyan color is right around, that 14,000, give or take a few $100 or something like that. So that's why I have my limit orders there. And so, yeah, these orange lines that are going up and down, those are the halvings. So like, we could have a dump here and then go sideways and have a second bottom before, going up. Sometime, where would that be? February of 2024. Is that when the halving is? That might need to be updated, because I put these lines in a long time ago. So I don't know when the correct halving is. I know that the hash rate is at all-time highs, so this is probably moved forward. Anyway, so let me give a shout out to the Roar NFT crew. We have these soccer NFTs, and if you bought them, you're probably watching the soccer games right now. I think Germany lost to Japan. That was really weird. I think I have Japan. Earlier today, Morocco played Croatia. That was tied 0-0. You can go to foxnews.com. You can go to Fox News app on your Apple TV or your iPad or phone or whatever, and watch the games live free that way. That's what I've been doing. And Peacock TV app is free also. Just put in an email address for a free trial. You can watch it that way, but it's in Spanish. So you just would click here under watch under foxnewssports.com, and you can watch the games live. So we're doing the rounds right now. There's like 8 groups of 4. Each team has to play each other in the 4 teams. If you win, you get 3 points. If you tie, each team gets 1 point, and if you lose, then you get 0 points. And so we're in that mess right now. This is the first week. They started on Sunday, and let's see now who else we have today. We have Spain versus Costa Rica at 11 o'clock Eastern time. Oh no, yeah, that's right. Belgium versus Canada, and Don's got both of those, so he's gonna win there. And then Denmark, Tim versus Tanzania, Don at 8 a.m. That might be for the next day, but it's usually like 4 games a day. So, just check, Google it. You can find these matches, standings. This is the first year I'm watching soccer because I'm kind of have a good chunk of these NFTs for soccer, and these were on sale like many months ago. So it's nice to, um, watch the soccer games during the bear market, get your mind off the bear market. The gas prices for Ethereum is 21 right now. Now, if you're going to be unstaking your pool, you connect your wallet and you click withdrawal, it will automatically withdraw all your million token plus your unclaimed staked tokens in one shot. And you could do that way, or you could do it, claim it and then withdraw. But, either way, the fees for that are like, for me, it was like under $2 for unstaking. So for me, that's definitely peace of mind. Just pay the $2 unstake. And then if the pool gets replenished, you could pay another $2 to, stake your million token. I don't think, I know some people in Telegram were saying, I'm going to just keep my tokens in the pool for now, which is fine. You could do that, but I don't think it's worth the risk. Suppose something happens to this website, let's say it goes down. Then how do you get your tokens back? Right. I don't think that's going to happen, but I'm just thinking of scenarios. Why take the risk if it's going to cost you $2 in ETH fees? Why not just put your tokens in your wallet just for safekeeping? Not your keys, not your coins, and that's just one scenario that could happen. I'm not going to think of other scenarios, but anyway. So check out the million pool. If it gets replenished, I say, like, if it doesn't get replenished over the next 2 weeks, then I think it was good while it lasted. I think he started this in last October, so it's been more than a year and a month or so. So if you got in really, really early, you probably got between 15 and 20% extra on your million token. So congrats to the people that got in early. I got in kind of late because I was kind of iffy on, not your keys, not your coins. But for me, it was worth the risk, seeing how much, extra I could have gotten in million token if I got in early. I think I didn't get in early into the pool until like 3 or 4 months after it started. It was a while. It was a while. I kind of regret not doing it now, but this whole DeFi thing is kind of new to me, and I just, I'm not going to be the first person to do it in case there's some risk there. But that's just me. So if you got in early, you got more million token out of it. Let's see now. Nothing new on the Twitter page. I did post on my Twitter page about the million pool running dry last night. And the CBBI info was 2 on the 22nd. Very, very low. That whole thing with Grayscale, people were really, really worried about that. It's in a trust, so I think it'd be a lot harder for them to liquidate that. But we'll just see what happens. Anything else new here? I don't think there's too much new, because I just did a live stream not too long ago. But the main news is, the million pool, obviously, the pool rate's 0, and there's probably a good chance technically it isn't going to replenish this. And the Bitcoin price, is still in a downtrend. Although, usually it drops like 84%. I think we've already come down about 77%. Yeah, if we hit that cyan line, that's 80%. And, we can even come down lower than that. So there's always been a possibility, I've been saying, it would hit these monthly, I'll put this on the monthly candles real quick. These monthly levels, of around, what is that? Oh, that's 10,600 there. But up here, these 2 candles here at the top, that's just below 14,000. Always been a possibility. Good luck to the people owning the NFTs. I think this expires, the tournament ends in like mid to late December. So I'm having a lot of fun watching the games. I hope everybody has a great holiday, and don't eat too much turkey. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Like this content, give me a like, subscribe, comment down below, and please share. Bye.